Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Better English. If you want to speak English confidently and naturally, you're in the right place.
What is education?
Education is learning, knowledge and skills.
What is education?
Education is learning, knowledge and skills.
Why is education important?
It helps people grow and succeed.
Why is education important?
It helps people grow and succeed.
Where do we get education?
We get it in schools and at home.
Where do we get education?
We get it in schools and at home.
When do children start school?
They start around age 5.
When do children start school?
They start around age 5.
Who teaches students?
Teachers teach students.
Who teaches students?
Teachers teach students.
What do teachers do?
They help students learn.
What do teachers do?
They help students learn.
Why do students go to school?
To gain knowledge and skills.
Why do students go to school?
To gain knowledge and skills.
Where do students sit in class?
They sit at desks.
Where do students sit in class?
They sit at desks.
When do schools open?
Schools open in the morning.
When do schools open?
Schools open in the morning.
Who is the principal?
The head of the school.
Who is the principal?
The head of the school.
What subjects do students learn?
They learn math, science, and more.
What subjects do students learn?
They learn math, science, and more.
Why do we learn math?
To solve problems and count.
Why do we learn math?
To solve problems and count.
Where do students play?
In the playground.
Where do students play?
In the playground.
When is recess?
It's during school breaks.
When is recess?
It's during school breaks.
Who gives homework?
Teachers give homework.
Who gives homework?
Teachers give homework.
What is homework?
Work done at home.
What is homework?
Work done at home.
Why do we need homework?
To practice what we learn.
Why do we need homework?
To practice what we learn.
Where do students do homework?
At home or in libraries.
Where do students do homework?
At home or in libraries.
When do students study?
They study after school.
When do students study?
They study after school.
Who helps at home?
Parents or siblings help.
Who helps at home?
Parents or siblings help.
What do students wear?
They wear uniforms.
What do students wear?
They wear uniforms.
Why wear uniforms?
To look equal.
Why wear uniforms?
To look equal.
Where is the library?
In the school building.
Where is the library?
In the school building.
When is exam time?
At the end of a term.
When is exam time?
At the end of a term.
Who checks the exams?
Teachers check them.
Who checks the exams?
Teachers check them.
What is a grade?
It shows your result.
What is a grade?
It shows your result.
Why are grades important?
They show progress.
Why are grades important?
They show progress.
Where are grades recorded?
In report cards.
Where are grades recorded?
In report cards.
When do we get report cards?
After exams.
When do we get report cards?
After exams.
Who meets teachers?
Parents meet them.
Who meets teachers?
Parents meet them.
What is parent meeting?
I talk about progress.
What is parent meeting?
I talk about progress.
Why meet teachers?
To know student status.
Why meet teachers?
To know student status.
Where are meetings held?
In the school office.
Where are meetings held?
In the school office.
When are holidays given?
During festivals or summer.
When are holidays given?
During festivals or summer.
Who gives holidays?
The school authority.
Who gives holidays?
The school authority.
What is summer vacation?
A long school break.
What is summer vacation?
A long school break.
Why enjoy vacations?
To relax and refresh.
Why enjoy vacations?
To relax and refresh.
Where do students go on trips?
To parks or museums.
Where do students go on trips?
To parks or museums.
When are trips planned?
Once or twice a year.
When are trips planned?
Once or twice a year.
Who arranges trips?
Teachers and school staff.
Who arranges trips?
Teachers and school staff.
What is online learning?
Studying on the internet.
What is online learning?
Studying on the internet.
Why use online classes?
For flexible learning.
Why use online classes?
For flexible learning.
Where do students join online classes?
From home.
Where do students join online classes?
From home.
When did online learning grow?
During the pandemic.
When did online learning grow?
During the pandemic.
Who needs internet for classes?
Online students.
Who needs internet for classes?
Online students.
What is a school bag?
A bag for books.
What is a school bag?
A bag for books.
Why carry a bag?
To hold supplies.
Why carry a bag?
To hold supplies.
Where are school supplies bought?
At bookshops.
Where are school supplies bought?
At bookshops.
When to buy new books?
At the start of the year.
When to buy new books?
At the start of the year.
Who gives book lists?
The school.
Who gives book lists?
The school.
What is a classroom?
A room for learning.
What is a classroom?
A room for learning.
Why decorate classrooms?
To inspire learning.
Why decorate classrooms?
To inspire learning.
Where do teachers sit?
At the front desk.
Where do teachers sit?
At the front desk.
When do lessons begin?
After attendance.
When do lessons begin?
After attendance.
Who marks attendance?
The class teacher.
Who marks attendance?
The class teacher.
What is a lesson plan?
A guide for teaching.
What is a lesson plan?
A guide for teaching.
Why use lesson plans?
To stay organized.
Why use lesson plans?
To stay organized.
Where are lesson notes kept?
In notebooks.
Where are lesson notes kept?
In notebooks.
When do students revise?
Before exams.
When do students revise?
Before exams.
Who leads group work?
A team leader.
Who leads group work?
A team leader.
What is group study?
Studying with friends.
What is group study?
Studying with friends.
Why study in groups?
To learn better.
Why study in groups?
To learn better.
Where do study groups meet?
At a school or home.
Where do study groups meet?
At a school or home.
When do students join clubs?
After classes.
When do students join clubs?
After classes.
Who joins school clubs?
Entrusted students.
Who joins school clubs?
Entrusted students.
What is a school club?
A group with activities.
What is a school club?
A group with activities.
Why join clubs?
To learn new things.
Why join clubs?
To learn new things.
Where are club meetings held?
In activity rooms.
Where are club meetings held?
In activity rooms.
When are competitions held?
During school events.
When are competitions held?
During school events.
Who wins prizes?
Top performers.
Who wins prizes?
Top performers.
What is a science fair?
An event to show projects.
What is a science fair?
An event to show projects.
Why hold science fairs?
To show creativity.
Why hold science fairs?
To show creativity.
Where are fairs held?
In school halls.
Where are fairs held?
In school halls.
When do students present?
On fair day.
When do students present?
On fair day.
Who watches the fair?
Teachers and parents.
Who watches the fair?
Teachers and parents.
What is a school assembly?
A gathering of all students.
What is a school assembly?
A gathering of all students.
Why hold assemblies?
For announcements.
Why hold assemblies?
For announcements.
Where is assembly held?
In the school yard.
Where is assembly held?
In the school yard.
When is assembly?
Every morning.
When is assembly?
Every morning.
Who leads the assembly?
Teachers or students.
Who leads the assembly?
Teachers or students.
What is discipline?
Following rules.
What is discipline?
Following rules.
Why follow rules?
To stay safe.
Why follow rules?
To stay safe.
Where are school rules found?
10. The handbook.
Where are school rules found?
10. The handbook.
When to follow rules?
All the time.
When to follow rules?
All the time.
Who enforces rules?
School staff.
Who enforces rules?
School staff.
What is a scholarship?
Money for education.
What is a scholarship?
Money for education.
Why give scholarships?
To support students.
Why give scholarships?
To support students.
Where to apply for scholarships?
At our school offices.
Where to apply for scholarships?
At our school offices.
When are scholarships awarded?
Each academic year.
When are scholarships awarded?
Each academic year.
Who gets scholarships?
Deserving students.